In 2028, the government announces that the world's energy resources will be fully exhausted within 5 years. To solve this problem, it's been decided to test the Shepard Particle Accelerator in the orbiting Cloverfield station. If all goes well, this would provide Earth with infinite energy. British engineer Ava doesn't want to leave her husband Michael alone because they recently lost their children to a fire and they should be working on fixing their relationship. But Michael convinces her to join the Shepard mission even if it takes years because they'll all die if she doesn't find a solution. Ava joins a crew formed by American Commander Jason, German physicist Ernst, Brazilian Dr. Monk, Irish engineer Gordon, Russian engineer Sasha, and Chinese engineer Ling. The team works wonderfully together, but unfortunately they fail at activating Shepard, and they keep trying for the next 2 years. Ava keeps in touch with Michael through video calls, and he updates her on the awful state of the world. When Ava needs some extra comfort, she also plays old videos of her children. The mood in the station is tense because they only have power for 3 more tries and the chances are low. The news they get from Earth isn't encouraging either. The world is coming apart under oil wars, and conspiracy theorists believe Shepard is dangerous because it could rip open portals into parallel universes that will bring monsters to Earth. This mood often ends up triggering petty arguments among the crew that end up in actual physical fights that the commander has to stop. The team gets their emotions under control when it's time for the 47th test. After lots of calculations and care, they finally manage to get a beam going, but it immediately overloads and explodes. The entire station shakes and throws the crew from ceiling to floor, the power goes out, and a fire begins around the Shepard. Ernst puts it by opening the ventilation vents into space, but there's still the matter of fixing the power, which is harder than it looks because for some reason the system is all scrambled. Moments later, they have power again, thanks to the backup, because their main power is fried. The O2 tanks are leaking, the reserves are severely diminished, and Ava keeps trying to contact Earth for help to no avail. When the engineers check the comms, they make a shocking discovery: Earth is nowhere to be found. The first theory they can think of is that Shepard has thrown them across the galaxy, prompting Ava to check her own private communicator and sadly confirm she can't contact